Once again, how to use Splice in Pro Tools 2020.3 or anything between Pro Tools 12 before the integration of Splice in Pro Tools. So what you need to do is you have a complete control, which is a native instrument plugin. You get it for free once you sign up, I believe. Then go VST Splice sounds. Then plugin should load up here. Then what you do, you can just splice here. Okay, I'll just check it with vocal.
See my eyes, baby, can't you see my eyes? See my eyes, oh why? See my eyes.
You can change the key so it fits to your song. You can, check more sounds.
Don't know what.
There you go. Using Splice with Pro Tools 2020. Okay, I'm on 2020.3. 2020.3 or anything from 12 to whatever before they integrated Splice in Pro Tools. So until we meet again, I hope this video it helped you somehow. Not to stress about not affording the latest version of Pro Tools. You'll get there. We all get there. But for now, there's a workaround in everything. Until we meet again, let's start subscribe and like the video and help a brother out. I need to get Pro Tools 25.10, I believe that's the latest. But for now, yeah, until we meet again, take care, enjoy your oldies.